So Mother's Day weekend has officially started. So my plan for today is to do a little bit of maintenance. So I kind of cut my hair a little bit. I have some semi-permanent dye that I'm going to put on my hair. I'm going to Ulta because I need some clusters, but they don't open until 10 o'clock. So that's annoying. But anyways, I have a lot of things to do today, so join me for the ride. Alright, so Walmart stuff is secured. Like I said, I just needed just a cute little thing. I needed deodorant and some mouthwash. If you know me, you know that I am such a thrift girly, okay? I absolutely love thrifting. If you just text me like, hey Nance, you want to go thrifting? Yes I do. Yes, I am so here for, going to Marshall's, HomeSense, Home Goods. We can't even go to Target anymore, but that's neither here nor there. But if you just say let's go thrifting, I am down for the cause. I will bring all the snacks because that's literally one of my favorite things to do. So I'm gonna go in there and see if I could find a Mother's Day outfit or just something. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. So I literally just got out of the bath. I feel so much better. I just wanted to check in. I did my hair. I dyed it. What y'all think? Okay. Now make sure y'all follow me on TikTok because I posted the tutorial on there. I did my lashes. I used these clusters that I got from Amazon. It's right here. These are the clusters that I used. Okay, this is my lash map, is 215s, 14, 213s. And girl, I lied. 215s, 14, 13, and 212s. This is my lash map. Let me know how y'all like it. I don't know. But I'm chilling. I'm relaxing. That's all that I wanted for Mother's Day, was just a day of nobody bothering me. And I'm getting that. I did my toes. I'm not showing y'all that for free. Period. And yeah, I don't know if I want to do my nails or not, but we shall see. check back in with y'all later.